How to put your Mazda into parking brake maintenance mode when working on the rear brakes. If you do not engage this mode, you can damage the electronic parking brake when doing a brake job for the rear brakes. Okay, so foot off of the brake. Push the start button 2 times. Hold the accelerator to the floor while also holding the park button down. Hit the start button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And I can hear those. Yep. I heard it activate back there, and then you can see this orange parking brake logo's on. So now it's in maintenance mode. Okay, now turn the car off. Turning off the electronic parking brake maintenance mode. Okay, we're going to take it out of brake service mode now. So we're going to do that by hitting the start button twice. Hold the accelerator pedal down, pull up on the brake, and then the start button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And I definitely heard those engage. And we noticed that it's no longer on the dash anymore. So you can listen to it. Okay, now test it with your foot on the brake. You can definitely hear that engage and disengage. Check the video description if you'd like to see the full front and rear brake replacement on this Mazda.